So I stand up there wait upon a taxi. A madman see me and start run towards me with a knife. So I run.
Okay.
When me a run, him take out a slingshot, take up a stone off of the ground and shot me in my back.
Oh, so you get a back shot. Okay. Then what happened after that?
No, squad it. Alright, hear me again.
Me I hear you, man. Me I hear you. My ears are work.
The man a run me down with the knife.
Yeah.
Him pull out a slingshot.
Yeah.
Take up a stone off of the ground.
Yeah.
Put in the slingshot.
Yeah.
And shot me in my back while I'm running.
So now that me I write down, man, so you get a back shot. That me right, you know.
Yo, Squaddy, you make the thing look away, Squaddy.
How me I make the thing look away?
The dog, you make the thing look freaky.
How me I make the thing look freaky? How you tell me I write down, you know?
I tell you, say, it's a slingshot.
Alright, so me ask you a question. How where the man do?
Man shot me
And how him shot you?
in my back.
So when you put that together, where you get?
Shot back. What? You get shot back. When you put it together, you get shot back.
No, brother. No, I know so it go. If you go in front of the judge will tell you say a back shot you get.
Charge, I that me I try show you no officer, you make it look like a bed man bend over.
Hey yo, you take it to a place where me nah go there with you, you know. So here one, me I go call it in and make them tell you what to do. And that me I do, because me nah go there with you. Wherever you go, me nah go there. Me just call it in.
No, me nobody want your help, officer. Me did it myself.
Officer reporting.
So me nobody want your help.
Me I report a sexual assault in the RP3 area, you know. A man come to me and tell me say a man run him down and give him a back shot.
Blood clot.
Alright, copy that. Yo, me I forgot to take care of the nearest hospital, you know. Make them check your vitals if you have